Hello everyone. Today I am going to explain the very important real-time scenario. So for each and every project we have to use this scenario. Without this scenario we can't do any project. That means for each and every project we have a amount field. So for each and every amount field we have to do these operations. So here we have a two scenarios. The first scenario is how to remove special character from amount field. For example, this is my input. So $2 comma 420.00. So this is my input, but I am expecting the output like this only 2 comma 420.00. That means here we are removing the special character, nothing but a dollar from the amount field. So another scenario is how to format amount. That means remove comma and dot from the amount field. So this is my input 2 comma 420.00, but I am expecting the output should be like this only 2420. That means here we are removing the comma and dot from the amount field. So this is my front end screen. So this is my database. So in front end screen we have a field called amount. So the amount the customer is enter the amount like this only $2.2 comma 420.00. Whenever the customer submit this data, the data is stored into the database, but the database expecting the amount 2420, but the customer is entering the $2 comma 420.00. So our requirement is we have to remove the special character and as well as comma and dot from the amount field. So now we are going to see how to remove the special character and as well as comma and dot from the amount field. Just to go to Eclipse, new class name is amount format. I am selecting the main method, click on finish button, remove the unwanted comments. So here I am going to take the amount as a string format, string equal to, here I am going to take a dollar 2 comma 240.00. So this is my input. So here I am going to take a one more string variable for feature purpose, string str1. So just I am assigning the null value to the string variable, and I am going to take number equal to null. So now I am going to take the regular expressions. So here I am going to take a try block. Try, here I am going to take a regular expression pattern equal to pattern dot compile. So I am taking in this compile, I am just taking the pattern like this only. My pattern I am going to take like, it should be yellow only numbers 0 to 9, numbers comma and dot. It should allow only these characters. So only it should, the amount field should allow only the numbers 0 to 9 and as well as comma and dot. So after this I am going to start dollar. Now I am going to add matcher equal to pattern dot matcher. Here I am going to pass the string variable. So here we have to import the regular expression package. So here I am going to take a one boolean variable, boolean value equal to chat dot find. So here I'm going, so this condition is finding that the boolean variable find that if this pattern is, it allows only 0 to 9 and as well as comma and dot. So other than this, it will return the false. So suppose if it returns false, the boolean value returns false, value equal to false. So that time, that means it is allowing some special characters. So we have to remove the special character from the amount field. So here string str1 equal to str dot, here we are using the substring to remove the special characters. So here I am going to use the 1, that means the first character dollar should remove here only. So if write string dot substring of 1 means it just to remove the dollar from the amount field. That means it is removing the dollar. So now I am going to print the system dot out dot println string 1 dot to string. Suppose if the boolean value return true, so that time else we have to write like this only. So here I am passing the 0. That means it does not remove any special character, any character from the amount field. That means here it is not allowing the special character. That's why as it is we are sending the string value. So here I am going to write the catch block exception E. I am printing the exception. So now I am going to run the program, run as Java application. So something is, so this is, here we have to close this brace. Now I'm going to run the program, run as Java application. So if you observe here our input is a dollar comma $2 comma 240.00. But here we are removing the special character from the amount field. So here we are getting the data like 2 comma 2420. So if you observe here, the output is, we are getting the output. Now I am going to show you the second scenario, nothing but to format the amount, that means remove comma and dot from the amount. So our input should be like this only, but output should be like this. Now I am going to format the amount. Here I am going to take one try block. In this try block I am going to take a number format, number format equal to number format dot get instance. So here number equal to format dot parse. So in this I am going to pass the, so this output I am going to pass the input of this format. So here I am going to print the output. So number dot to string. After this try block I am going to write a catch block. If any number format exception is coming, so here we can handle this exception. Exception E dot print stack days. So now we are going to see the output. So this is my input dollar 2 comma 240.00. So this is removing the dollar from the amount field. This is removing the comma and dot from the amount field. So this is our requirement. So suppose if you give the like slash here, so slash also is removing from the amount field. So if you observe here, the slash is removing. That means anything is coming from the first character. That character is here we are removing the that first character. So substring of one means it is just removing the slash from the amount field and it will return the remaining format. So it is written this format. So friends, don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching this video.